Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about polymorphism in C sharp. So basically we will look at uh, the two types of polymorphism and we will look at the implementation of them. So let's get started. This is a small program, a console application. I've cleared the program.cs file. So we'll start from basics. So the first type of polymorphism is going to be looking at is called static polymorphism or compile time polymorphism. So for implementation of it, let's create a class called program. In the program class, let's create two methods and with different signatures. So both of them will do an add call and another one. But here I will change his signature. So basically what polymorphism is, I think polymorphism literally means is existence in multiple forms. So this method here has the same name uh, but different signatures. So compiler will decide which one to call. Let's create one main method and let's get an object of program class and it's called program.add 3, 4. Now, if you look at it, we've called an add method and the compiler has shown a reference here because the compiler knows that we have to call this method. Similarly, if I make this 3.4, the compiler will know that we have to, that's why it's called compile time because the compiler before the execution knows that which method we are going to execute. The other type of polymorphism is called dynamic polymorphism or runtime polymorphism. So for that, I'm going to clear up some code and we're going to start again. In this, we'll create two classes actually, something similar to what we have done in the previous video. So we'll create a parent class and here we'll create one method. We'll mark it as virtual and we'll say parent says hi. Similarly, we'll create another class called child. We'll say this override. So there's an error. Why? Because we missed to derive this child from the parent. Okay, now that we have everything here, I'm gonna create a couple of objects, one of parent and one of child. And I'm gonna call the print method. Okay, so now if you look at here, the compile we have called the print method from parent once and the print method from child once. But the compiler showed here three references. Why? Because it's unsure. It's unsure that which one will be called. And this will be determined at the runtime. That's why it's called runtime polymorphism. Okay, so I'm going to run this and we can see the parent says hi and the parent says hi. Okay, I missed to call this child. Now we know this is running. This is working fine. Okay. I want to show you one more thing here. There's a concept of method hiding. So there's a question asked generally, what is the difference in method overriding hiding? So instead of writing the, so okay, uh, first I will show you what happens in case of this. So we know from the previous video that we can have a reference of parent type and an object of child type. Okay, and now if I do pc.print, what will it print? It says child says hi because but what will happen if I use a new keyword here instead of override? Will anything change? Okay, let's see. Oh, this says parent says hi. Why? Because there is a concept of method hiding. Now, this print is uh, it's a implementation has been completely changed, and we are calling this one. So this parent reference will call its own method. For this one, we need to create an object of type child. Okay, yeah, that's it from this video. Uh, Thanks for watching.